Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix cannot add card. Your Apple account balance cannot be added to wallet at this time. So guys, if you are unable to use your card or set up your Apple card in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here open up settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general settings, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So after this, go back and from here scroll it below and tap on date and time. So I simply turn on set automatically for your date and time, and after this go back and from here scroll it below and tap on language and region. So I simply tap on region and select your country or region according to your Apple card or according to your own country. So I simply select your country in which you are using your device, and after this go back and from here tap on VPN and device management. So as from here turn off the VPN if there is any connected VPN in this device. So I simply disconnect it, and after this scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So I simply reset your iPhone for your network settings. Simply tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So I reset the network settings, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution. That is, you have to simply sign out your Apple ID after changing the password for your Apple ID for one time. So I simply open your Apple ID and tap on sign in and security. Tap on change password, and from here enter your passcode for your iPhone and change the password for your Apple ID, and after this go back and from here sign out your Apple ID in your device for one time. So I simply sign out your Apple ID and you have to restart your device again. So I simply restart the device, and after this log in your Apple ID again in your device and again try to add your card in your wallet. So as hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.